we work on a real-world problem, because that is how you can have the impact.
Peter, it's great to meet you. Bell Labs has been at the forefront of many important breakthroughs over the last 100 years. What do you think its role is going to be in the next 100 years?
We're not only celebrating 100 years of great innovation with impact on humanity, we're also putting the spotlight on the groundbreaking research we do today with the aspiration to impact humanity in the next century.
Yeah. How do you guide your team when you sit down to approach challenges like that? Do you have any words of wisdom? Is there a first principle of research and development here?
So an important part of our research DNA and really the root of our success is that we always look for a real-world problem and solve for it in a disruptive way, but grounded in the fundamentals of science. And we also embrace multiple disciplines to come to a solution to the problem.
That makes a lot of sense, and it also seems to resonate in the work you're doing on quantum computing, which obviously we hear a lot about, but it feels like you're taking a different approach to it, because in some ways you're not trying to rush ahead and get it to scale. It feels like you're trying to do it properly, so you don't have to come back in 20 years' time and rethink how that works. Is that accurate?
So that is a good thing. We, as Nokia Bell Labs, we are onto a unique qubit concept, a topological qubit.
Yes.
That's the equivalent of a transistor in a quantum computer.
Yes.
And this unique topological qubit has the property of being very stable and very scalable to the millions of qubits that you need in a true quantum computer to benefit from the quantum supremacy.
And how is that going?
We already have first proofs, elementary operations. We are investing now more to ramp it up. But it's not only the quantum compute. There's also work on future of quantum networking as a networking company. That is important. And quantum security.
Another very important topic at the moment is artificial intelligence. Do you think that we're using it in a positive way at the moment? I mean, what do you think Claude Shannon would think about the way that AI has been developed? And of course, he's not the only architect of AI, right?
Well, Claude Shannon, in a way, was one of the first people that used AI with his famous mouse Theseus that found autonomously its way through a labyrinth.
Yeah.
Now, AI is really the revolutionary technology of today. And we are looking at what AI can do for future applications, but also what AI can do for the network. And we want to have that AI in a responsible way, so that it makes reliable decisions, that it is not biased and fair, that it is transparent. A network configuration, you want to know why that configuration happened.
Yeah.
In AI, there's a lot of data. We want the privacy to be preserved. And we then also, last but not least, want that it happens in a sustainable way. You don't need entire power stations.
While I was touring your facility, I saw everything that I wanted to see, but I felt like I wasn't being shown everything. Are there secrets here? Are you working on time travel or wormholes or anything that you want to share with us that behind those doors?
No, the things that you mentioned are a bit esoteric. Time travel, I mean, for one, with the laws of physics, that's not possible. But the closest to that is maybe creating networks with a sixth sense.
Yes, good.
And it sounds esoteric as well. If a human has a sixth sense, the explanation is it's a human that has sensors that can pick that up, feed it to the neural network, and have an epiphany, an insight through the subconscious. Well, we're augmenting human capabilities with a massive scale deployment of sensors through the network, feed that to an AI neural network, have a better understanding of the physical world, make predictions, make better planning decisions, and improve our productivity and safety.
Amazing. And congratulations on 100 years. I'm
Thank
sure
you.
it's going to be a productive next century for Nokia Bell Labs.
It's a very inspiring moment. We're all ready and geared up for the next century.
Thank you.